Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Citizen Bank's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Citizen Bank's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Citizen Bank application on your device. You will end up on the login page of your Citizen Bank application. Now to log into your account, enter your user ID and password associated with your Citizen Bank's account and tap on Login. Slide the slider of Remember User ID to the right side if you want your user ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot your user ID or password. This is how you can log into your Citizen Bank's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.